Hello friends, this is Ylvind. I'm making a video, and with these two sharp points I marked heads. Here it comes down, and then I just bang on it like this, and then I get 2 marks on it. And then I drill a hole here on each of the holes, and then I know the place where it's gonna be. I just use screws. I made a point on them, and that's the way. Here I'm drilling in the holes at the right angle, so it should be okay. Hello friends, it's still Monday 18th of April. Now I put a little bit subdivision in this on the starboard side. On the other side I do a little bit for the bottles, like you can see here when I'm walking over here. So I'm putting a little thing up here, and I'm putting in the fillets, and I put a weight to hold it while it's curing. And the seat is now, I drill the holes, and this is a piece of brown Tufnal bakelite phenolic to take the countersunk screws. So this is for today.